Well, Tanyard is a youth project that was set up about 15 years ago or more. We have a membership of about 300 plus 10 to 18-year-olds who come here either time to time or on a regular basis. We're busy 4 evenings a week running all sorts of different activities like cooking, baking, sports, games, drama. We make music, we have parties, lots of different activities that the young people have asked to do. Well, one of the things that we have here, which is a really prized resource, is our music studio. That was set up quite a number of years ago now, and while it was really up to date when it was put together, it's gradually become out of date over time, and this year some of it stopped working altogether. So a grant from Hanford Cymru will enable us to upgrade those pieces of equipment that are most needed now, and enable the young people to go back next door into the studio on a Thursday evening to make music.
Well, in the Boatyard studio, we run weekly sessions with young people where any member of the Tanyard, aged between 10 and 18, can come in and use the facilities that we've got here, which, as you can see, pretty comprehensive. But up until recently, we've had serious issues with the computer and guitars and equipment and lack of it, really. And we can record.
Sitting here tonight by the firelight, it reminds me I already have more than I should.
But they don't just make music and learn to sing and play instruments, they make new friends in there that have a common interest, and it also brings massive self-confidence. We have young people go in there who are quite shy to start with, but within a matter of months are willing to sing and play in front of other young people and even go on stage, use the mic, perform to an audience. It's quite an amazing resource.
At the end of the day,